In this video, we are upgrading our old outdoor patio lights with these Leon Light up and down LED wall lights. The sleek design throws light both upward and downward, creating a clean glow and adds a bit of a modern upgrade to our home. This is the 2-pack, making it perfect for entryways, patios, garage, or walkways. Here is a look at the light before we put it up on the wall. We went ahead and cut the power to the area and removed the old light. And then we started prepping the new light by removing the mount and unwinding the wires. It does come with these connectors, but we just went ahead and used our old ones. We started by placing the mount up on the wall and drilling it into place. And then I held the light up while my husband connected all the wiring and added the connectors. Once all the wires are connected, we just put the light into place and screwed it in, and it's ready to go. Very easy to install. Took us only maybe 30 minutes to do everything. The one thing I was worried about was the direction of the light being up and down and whether or not it would illuminate our space efficiently. And I was pleasantly surprised. Here is a clip of them at nighttime. They lit up our porch perfectly. Huge thank you to the brand for gifting these to me so that I could do this review.